Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I'm Quisha Elise, and in today's video I'm doing a real cute light glam 90s inspired look that I first saw on the singer Monica's page, and I wanted to recreate it. So stay tuned and see how it came together. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more. I already started my brows. I'm just cleaning them up with some concealer to give a more natural look. I do this with a flat angled brush and then put a little concealer on it and follow along the natural shape of my brows. And then blending with your finger is going to give you the most natural and realistic look, and you really can't mess it up or smudge anything. And then just using a spoolie at the front of my brows to make it a little bit lighter. And that is both brows completely done. The next thing I'm going to do before putting on any eyeshadow is using that same concealer as the base for the eyeshadow. It makes it easier to put the eyeshadow on and put everything in place. Again, I found it easier just to pat everything in with your fingers, just rubbing lightly. I'm starting with a neutral color palette and starting with the sweeping motion. I'm switching to this other palette that I have that has a range of neutral and bright colors and using this reddish brown eyeshadow color. With eyeshadow, you want to start out from a light to dark to give that transition look, and then going in with a small pencil brush, taking that light orangey color and mixing it with this glitter gold color and applying that to the inner corners of my eyes to add a pop of color. The next step is the eyeliner, which I created this small winged look in the corner. And before I add mascara, let's finish the face. I already applied my primer and foundation, so now we can just conceal and highlight. The concealer I'm using in this video is the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the Warm Honey. You can conceal any bags that you may have just by using the LA Girl Pro Concealer. I know I don't get enough sleep, but you can hide that with this concealer and just wake up your eyes. To do that, just draw a triangle under your eyes and apply it to your chin, your cupid's bow, and then the bridge of your nose. And then use a beauty blender to blend it all together. I like using the blenders that are flat on one side. It just makes it easier to blend and less mistakes. So just continue blending that all together. Sometimes blending with a big sponge like this, you can get makeup on your lashes, so that's why I did the mascara afterwards. I'm using the Maybelline Lash Sensational mascara, and then I use 2 layers. So I apply 1 layer and then go back before it dries and apply another layer. I kind of have long lashes already, so I'm not big on the falsies. Plus, they're just a mess for me to put on and take off, so I just leave them just doing mascara. And then we can go off and finish the look with setting powder and then brushing the excess away. And then last but not least, contouring the nose and the face to finish off this look. And then using some setting spray. I'm using the NYX Professional Makeup Setting Spray in the matte finish. Now that the makeup's done and out the way, we can get into the hair that I'm using. Before applying the wig, I put my hair in cornrows and laid the edges down and applied a wig cap to protect my hair under the wig. The wig I'm using is the Dream Lace Sister Wig YOLO. The wig has a wavy look and it already has a part going down the middle and 2 front combs and a back comb to secure it in place. When applying the wig, you want to align the middle part of the wig up to the middle part of your natural hair. Once it's in place, secure it with the combs, and then I pulled the edges away and just held them out the way with the clip, and then started cutting away with the scissors at the lace. You want to be careful not to cut your own hair or to not cut too much off of the wig. I'm using Got To Be Free spray to melt down the wig in front, and then just pressing it down with the tail comb till dry. Once the lace is all off, I'm using my hot comb to flatten the top of the hair so there's no hump. And then this wig can take up to heat up to 400 degrees. I'm blending the part with my same LA Girl concealer. And then last but not least, combing down some of the edges in the front of the wig with some gel and using an edge brush. And that is it for this look. I think it came out really cute. What do y'all think? Let me know in the comments below. And shout out to Monica for the inspiration. I got this newspaper little jacket from Shein and a little lace bralette to complete this 90s inspired throwback look. I want to thank y'all for watching my video. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. I had fun creating this look and hope to see y'all in the next video.